YouTube friends, happy Thanksgiving from your girl Miss Tamika. So I decided to film my Thanksgiving, so I will be sharing what I cooked, what I needed to prepare my wonderful Thanksgiving. And so far as the menu, I ended up cooking macaroni and cheese, sweet potatoes, greens, turkey, I'm not sure if I said lemon pepper chicken. For dessert, I ended up making banana pudding. I didn't do the traditional sweet potato pies because I didn't feel like it. To be completely honest, I just didn't feel like it. So you will not see any sweet potato pie. I was going to buy a sweet potato pie from Walmart, but the banana pudding ended up being enough. So we just got together and we just started cooking and prepping and cooking and prepping. And yeah, you guys, I just had to get on here and give y'all a little 411 before I start playing the music, and so y'all can hear my wonderful voice. So with that being said, I hope y'all guys enjoy this portion of my vlog, and until next time, I will talk to y'all later. And also happy Thanksgiving. Just like I like it, a little burnt on the edges, just like I like.
Right on point.
Jemiah got my mouth watering with that ham.
I got every single one.
She got each piece of, she got each nook and cranny. That's right, Jemiah's gonna have that glaze. It's gonna be like honey baked ham up in this jizzle. It's gonna have that little crust on it. Smoking it. So I decided to do my makeup after I finished prepping everything and putting everything in the oven. So right here I started to do my eyebrows. I'm still learning, you guys, so they're not 100% as of yet, but I'm getting there. And then I also ended up using the Natasha Denona palette, and I ended up just blending in like I think 2 or 3 different colors. And then I did use my Time For foundation, and I topped it off with the Fenty Beauty liquid lipstick. I hauled that here on my channel. So it's like one of the new collection liquid lipsticks. And so like I said, I just did something really quick just so I can look cute when I go out for Black Friday and again take pictures. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all these sweet potatoes. I got the recipe off of Divas Can Cook, and when I tell you these are the best sweet potatoes I ever had in my entire life, I've been cooking them for the past 5 years, and I'm gonna just show you so you can see what I'm talking about, y'all. Tell me this ain't heaven through the camera. Like, look at that, y'all. Look at that. This is the ending results, y'all. If y'all don't know, her name is Divas Can Cook on YouTube, and this is the ham my daughter glazed. She got in between each part of the ham. My mouth is watering while I'm talking to y'all. Whoa. And here is the juiciness of the turkey, lemon pepper chicken. We got my mac and cheese. It may look a little dark, but that's how I like it. I don't like light macaroni and cheese, so don't think it's burnt, y'all. This is how I like it. I'm not sure about y'all. Like, let me know down below if y'all like y'all mac and cheese light or like this or a lot darker. Somebody took a little spoonful, and what was that about? Yeah, here go our turkey. It looks so good, it look fried, y'all, don't it? But it's not. That's the food. So now we're going to eat, and then we're going to head out and go shopping. Happy Thanksgiving! I just finished my makeup. I just threw a little something together so I can take pictures. Excuse the boxes over here in the corner. Having turkey, ham, macaroni and cheese, sweet potatoes, greens, and stuffing. I feel like I'm missing something, and I don't know what else. I think that's it. And for dessert we having banana pudding, because I didn't want to make no sweet potato pies. I didn't feel like it. Oh, we might go out for Black Friday, so of course I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. My daughter glazed the ham, so she did an excellent job. So I filmed her glazing the ham. She was having a ball glazing it. Do for Thanksgiving, and what are y'all thankful for? Let me know down below what y'all thankful for. The way that y'all see that Macy's was having that bomb sale on Coach bags, that Dreamer that was $4.95 is on sale for $2.37. like, for real. Like, oh my goodness, my battery is blanking, but the good thing is, y'all, I got another battery, y'all, another battery, so it's gonna die. And the next time I pick up the camera, it may be when we out and about. So this time I'll film us going out for Black Friday. We're not going nowhere like that. We just going to Target and Walmart, the two major stores, and Best Buy. And I'm gonna probably turn my camera on. I'm not sure if I'm going to talk, but if I do, y'all know. What else is going on? So again, happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see y'all when we in the stores. So we started off at Best Buy. We were in Best Buy because my mom was looking to purchase one of those light bulbs that go along with your Google or Alexa thing. So we was in Best Buy, and of course it was crowded because everybody was going crazy over their TVs. And we did end up going to Michael's, TJ Maxx, and Target. So towards the end of the video, we ended up at Walmart, and I ended up getting a few items. Best Buy, y'all, and it's crowded. People are going crazy over these TVs. I'm gonna turn the camera around so y'all can see. but they are going crazy for TVs. Is this a G7X? Oh, because it's the big one. Here goes the G7X, y'all. If y'all trying to get one for the holiday, it is $5.99. I'm not going to upgrade because mine is not broke. But if y'all want one, they are on sale. And here is the back. The only difference with this one is it comes out like this. And I don't like that because I see people have issues with this breaking easily. But like I said, I have the G7X, the first one, and it still works fine. But again, if y'all want to take advantage, I would recommend, if you do get one, to get the newer version than to get the first version. But here it is. So
I like that.
what's in our refrigerator, Jemai? What we have?
So we have some collard greens, we got some Oreos, we also have some yam.
We had some bananas here, and we keep them down here to cool them. And then also, I can pull up recipes.
Get recipes from your family home.
And I can also, I can also make ice and water. So that was our Black Friday. Like I said, it really wasn't crowded like I thought it was, because normally on Black Friday or the day before it's really crowded. But I guess since we waited to go out, because we didn't go out at 6, we went out after 6, so maybe that's why it wasn't as crowded. But like I said, if you were looking to purchase TVs, that was the best time to be out, is Black Friday and the day before, because the TVs were on sale like crazy. So yeah, you guys, that was it far as the vlog. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And before you go, please don't forget to thumbs up this video and also click on that subscribe button so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.